Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to see important questions in definite integrals. So evaluate integration 3 to 7 root of 7 minus x by x minus 3 dx. Mark it as first equation. Now we are in this type of problems we will separate all the terms. So now put x is equal to 3 cos square theta plus 7 sin square theta. Since 3 and 7 involved, so 3 cos square theta plus 7 cos square sin square theta. Differentiate on differentiation dx 3 as it is. Here we are using chain rule. So x to the power of 2 means 2 cos 2 minus 1 theta. Then cos theta derivative minus sin theta plus 7 x to the power of n. Now here we will use chain rule. 2 sine 2 minus 1 theta into sin theta derivative cos theta d theta. Now 3 as it is minus plus minus 3 2 sin theta cos theta plus 7 2 sin theta cos theta minus 3 as it is. We know the formula 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta plus 7 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta. So 7 sin 2 theta minus 3 sin 2 theta, nothing but 4 sin 2 theta d theta. So dx value 4 sin 2 theta d theta. X is equal to 3 cos square theta plus sin 7 square theta. Dx is equal to 4 sin 2 theta d theta. Now upper limit. We have upper limit x is equal to 7 and lower limit 3. Now we will change the limit. Upper limit, put x is equal to 3. So what is the x is equal to we have taken. So x means 7. So bring it here. So if I take minus 7 common, bring plus 7 here and take minus 7 common, so it will become 1 minus sin square theta. So 1 minus sin square theta we know cos square theta. So 3 cos square theta minus cos square theta minus 4 cos square theta is equal to 0. So cos square theta means 0 by minus 4, 0. So square, it will come here root 0, 0. So cos theta is equal to 0. Theta is equal to pi by 2, 90 degree. Now lower limit, put x is equal to 3. 3 is equal to 3 cos square theta plus 7 sin square theta. Bring it here and take minus common. So 3 sin square theta minus 3 minus 3 sin cos square theta. So take out minus 3 common. So 1 minus cos square theta sin square theta. So 7 sin square theta minus 3 sin square theta, 4 sin square theta. Sin square theta is equal to 0 by 4, 0. Sin theta is equal to 0. Theta equal to 0. So lower limit 0, upper limit pi by 2. Now first term 7 minus x. So 7 minus x means 3 cos square theta sin square theta. Take out 7 common. So here 1 minus sin square theta minus 3 cos square theta as it is. 7 as it is. We know the formula 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta. So 7 cos square theta minus 3 cos square theta 4 cos square theta. So 7 minus x is equal to 4 cos square theta. Next x minus 3. X means 3 cos square theta plus 3 cos square theta plus 7 sin square theta minus 3. So take out 3 common. First 7 sin square theta. Take out minus 3 common. So 1 minus cos square theta. So minus 3 as it is. 1 minus cos square theta sin square theta. 7 sin square theta minus 3 sin square theta, 4 sin square theta. So the value of x minus 3 is equal to 4 sin square theta. Now from first, this is our problem. Upper limit 7 will change to pi by 2. Lower limit will change to 0. Root of 7 minus x value 4 cos square theta by x minus 3 4 sin square theta into dx 4 into sin 2 theta d theta. So 4 cancel. Sin square cos square theta root means cos theta. Sin square theta root means sin theta into 4 sin 2 theta formula 2 sin theta cos theta. Sin theta cancel. 4 2 is 8. 8 will come outside. The integration 0 to pi by 2 cos theta into cos theta cos square theta. So cos square theta reduction. So we have the formula cos square theta means 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So this 2 will come out 8 by 2 integration 0 to pi by 2 integration 0 to pi by 2 integration 1 d theta plus integration cos 2 theta d theta. So 8 by 2 4 integration 1 theta 1 d theta theta 0 to pi by 2 plus cos 2 theta integration sin 2 theta by 2 0 to pi by 2. So 4 as it is, upper limit minus lower limit, pi by 2 minus 0 plus upper limit sin 2 into theta means pi by 2 minus sin 2 into 0 by 2. 4 outside, pi by 2 minus 0 pi by 2 plus 2 cancel, sin pi 0 by 2 minus 2 into 0 by 2 0 sin 0 0. So 4 into pi by 2 minus 0 plus 0 pi by 2 only. So this cancel, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So the final answer is 2 pi. Next question. All these questions are similar. Integration 2 to 6 root of 6 minus x minus 2 dx. So mark it as first equation. Since 6 and 2 numbers are there, we will take as x is equal to 2 cos square theta plus 6 sin square theta. Now differentiate. X is equal to x means dx, 2 outside in differentiation chain rule, 2 cos 2 minus 1 theta cos theta derivative minus sin theta plus 6 sin x to the power of 2 sin 2 minus 1 theta sin theta derivative cos theta d theta. Now 2 as it is, minus into plus minus 2 sin theta cos theta plus 6 2 sin theta cos theta. So minus take outside 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta plus 6 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta d theta. So 6 sin 2 theta minus 2 sin 2 theta equal to 4 sin 2 theta d theta. Now upper limit, put x is equal to 0. This is the value we have taken. So x is equal to 6 is equal to 2 cos square theta plus 6 sin square theta plus 6, send it to here minus and take minus 6 outside. So 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta means cos square theta. So 2 cos square theta minus 6 cos square theta minus 4 cos square theta equal to 0. Now send it to here, 0 by 4 0. Square will come here 0. So cos theta equal to 0 means theta equal to pi by 2. Now lower limit, put x is equal to 2. So 2 is equal to 2 cos square theta plus 6 sin square theta. Bring it here plus 2 and take minus 2 outside. So 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta means sin square theta. 6 sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta means 4 sin square theta equal to 0. Sin square theta means 0 by 4 0. Sin theta equal to 0. Theta equal to 0. Lower limit 0. Now 6 minus x value. 6 minus x means 2 cos square theta, 6 sin square theta. take out this 6 common. So 1 minus sin square theta minus 2 cos square theta as it is. 6 as it is. 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta. 6 cos square theta minus 2 cos square theta, 4 cos square theta. So the values of 6 minus x is equal to 4 cos square theta. Next, I will find x minus 2 value. So what is x? 2 cos square theta plus 6 sin square theta minus 2. So first write 6 sin square theta. Take out minus 2 common. So what will be the remaining? 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta means sin square theta. 6 sin square theta minus 2 cos square theta. 4 sin square theta. So x minus 2 value 4 sin square theta. Now from first equation, this is our given problem. Now here upper limit 6 will become pi by 2. 2 lower limit it will be 0. Root of 6 minus x value 4 cos square theta. X minus 2 value 4 sin square theta. Dx value 4 into sin 2 theta d theta. So integration 0 to pi by 2 as it is. 4 4 is 16. 16 square root 4. Sin square theta root sin square theta sin theta. Root cos square theta cos theta into 4. What is sin 2 theta? 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 4 is 8. 8 4 is 32. Take outside as it is constant. So 32 integration 0 to pi by 2. Sin theta into sin theta sin square theta. Cos theta into cos theta cos square theta d theta. So this is n. M is equal to 2. N is equal to 2. So this is nothing but I22. So what is the formula? 1 by 4 into I20. So 32 as it is 1 by 4. I20 means 1 by 2 into pi by 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16. 32 by 16 means 2. 2 into pi, 2 pi. Now next question. Evaluate integration 4 to 9 dx by root of 9 minus x, x minus 4 into x minus 4 dx. So mark it as first equation. Since here 9 and 4 are there, so we will take as x is equal to 4 cos square theta plus 9 sin square theta. Differentiate. So dx is equal to 4 as it is, x to the power of 2. The chain rule, 2 cos 2 minus 1 theta, cos theta derivative minus sin theta plus 9 as it is, x to the power of n, 2 sin 2 minus 1 theta, sin theta derivative cos theta d theta. So minus 4, 2 sin theta cos theta plus 9, 2 sin theta cos theta. So dx is equal to minus 4, 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta plus 9 sin 2 theta. 9 sin 2 theta minus 4 sin 2 theta. It means 5 sin 2 theta d theta. So dx value 5 sin 2 theta d theta. Now lower limit, put x is equal to 9. So this is, we have taken the value. X means 9 is equal to 4 cos square theta plus 9 is sin square theta. Bring plus 9 here and take minus 9 common. So 1 minus sin square theta. What is 1 minus sin square theta? Cos square theta. 4 minus 9 minus 5 cos square theta. 0 by minus 5 0. Square will come 0. So cos theta equal to 0. Theta equal to pi by 2. Now lower limit, put x is equal to 4. 4 is equal to 4 cos square theta plus 9 sin square theta. Plus 4, bring it here and take minus 4 common. So 1 minus cos square theta. What is 1 minus cos square theta? Sin square theta. 9 minus 4, 5 sin square theta. Sin square theta is equal to 0 by 5, 0. Sin theta equal to root 0, 0. Theta equal to 0. Lower limit 0. Now x minus 4 value. What is x? 4 cos square theta plus 9 sin square theta minus 4. So this 9 sin square theta as it is, take minus 4 common, so 1 minus cos square theta. What is 1 minus cos square theta? Sin square theta. So 9 sin square theta minus 4 sin square theta means 5 sin square theta. So x minus 4 value 5 sin square theta. Now we will find 9 minus x value. So 9 as it is minus what is x? 4 cos square theta, 9 sin square theta. So take 9 common, 1 minus sin square theta minus 4 cos square theta as it is. So 9 as it is, 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta. 9 cos square theta minus 4 cos square theta, 5 cos square theta. So 9 minus x value is equal to 5 cos square theta. From 1, this is our given problem. Now upper limit 9 will change to pi by 2. Lower limit 4 to change to 0. 1 by root 9 minus x value 5 cos square theta. X minus 4 value 5 sin square theta into dx value 5 into sin 2 theta d theta. Integration 0 to pi by 2, 1 by 5 into 5, 25. 25 square root 5. Sin square theta root sin, cos square theta root cos theta into 5. What is sin 2 theta? 2 sin theta cos theta d theta. This 5 cancel, sin theta cancel, cos theta cancel. 2 1s are 2, take outside, integration 0 to pi by 2 d theta. 1 d theta, integration 1 d theta, theta 0 to pi by 2. 2 outside as it is. Now 2 is equal to upper limit minus lower limit, pi by 2 minus 0, pi by 2 minus 0, pi by 2. These two cancel. Pi is the answer. Okay. Now next problem. Integration 0 to 5 x square root of 5 minus x power 7 dx. Mark it as first equation. Here 5 is involved, so we will take x is equal to 5 sin square theta only. On differentiation, dx is equal to 5 as it is, x to the power of n, chain rule, 2 sin 2 minus 1 theta, sin theta derivative cos theta. So 5 2s are 10, sin theta cos theta d theta. X is equal to this one, dx is equal to 10 sin theta cos theta d theta. Now upper limit 5. So put x is equal to 5. We have substitute here this one, x is equal to 5 sin square theta. What is x? 5 is equal to 5 sin square theta. 5 by 5, 1. Sin square theta equal to 1. Sin theta equal to root 1, 1. So theta equal to pi by 2. So upper limit, now it will change to pi by 2. Now lower limit, now presently at x is equal to 0. Substitute 0 is equal to 5 sin square theta. Sin square theta equal to 0 by 5. Sin theta equal to 0. Theta equal to 0. So lower limit theta equal to 0. Upper limit changes to pi by 2. Lower limit changes to 0. Now find the value of 5 minus x. 5 as it is minus x means 5 sin square theta. Take out 5 common. So 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta means cos square theta. Root of, now we find 5 minus x. So we will find root of 5 minus x power 7. So root of 5 cos square theta power 7. So 5 cos square theta as it is. Root 7 means root of 5 cos square theta power 7 means I can write as 7 by 2. So 5 power of 7 by 2 cos square theta power 7 by 2. So 5 power of 7 by 2 as it is, these two cancel, cos power of 7 theta. So it means root of 5 minus x power 7 is equal to 5 power of 7 cos power of 7 theta. Now this is our given problem. From first, this is our given problem. Integration. Upper limit 5 will change to pi by 2. Lower limit will change to 0. X square. What is x? 5 sin square theta square. Into, what is this value? 5 power of 7 by 2 cos power of 7 theta. What is dx? 10 sin theta cos theta d theta. Okay. So, we have to simplify. Okay. So, this 10 I will write as 2 into 5. Now, here 5 is square sine, this sine theta 1 and sine 2 to the 4. So sine power of 5 theta. 5 power of 7 by 2 cos power of 7 theta into cos theta d theta. Again I am telling this 10, 2 5s are 10. 5 is square. This sine power of 2 to the 4 and in this sine power of 5 theta. 5 power of 7 by 2 cos power of 7 theta into cos theta d theta. So take 2 outside. 5 power of 2 plus 1 3 and this 5 power of 7 by 2. Bases are same, power should be added. So 5 power of 3 plus 7 by 2. Integration 0 to pi by 2 sine power of 5 theta cos power of 7 theta into cos theta cos power of 8 theta. So it means 2 is equal to 2 into 5, 2 5s are 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 7, 13 by 2. So 2 into 5 power of 13 by 2, this is I58. So 2 into 5 power of 13 by 2, I5 by 8 means 7 by 13, I56. So 2 into 5, 13 by 2, 7 by 13 as it is. I56, how can I write? 5 by 11 into 3 by 9 into 1 by 7 into 4 by 5 into 2 by 3. If any, simplify, 3 cancel, 5 cancel. So what is the remaining thing? And this 7 and this 7 cancel. So in the numerator, 2 into 4 into 2, 16 into 5 power of 13 by 2 by 13 into 11 into 9, 128. And similarly to this, we have another question. Integration 0 to 1 x to the power of 7 by 2 1 minus x power 5 by 2 dx. Mark it as first equation. Put x is equal to sin square theta. Dx is equal to 2 sin 2 minus 1 theta. Sin theta derivative cos theta d theta. So dx is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta d theta. Dx value. Upper limit, put x is equal to 1. 1 is equal to sin square theta square root 1 sin theta equal to pi by 2. Lower limit, put x is equal to 0. 0 is equal to sin square theta, theta equal to 0. So lower limit 0. Now 1 minus x value, 1 minus x means sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta means cos square theta. This is 1 minus x value. I will take 1 minus x 5 power of 5 by 2. So 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta power 7 by 2. These two cancel. Cos power of 5. This is 5. 5 by 2 means 5 theta. I will take as 5 by 2. Now this is our problem. Integration 1. This upper limit will change to pi by 2. Lower limit 0. X means sin square theta power 7 by 2. Okay. So these two cancel. Sin power of 7 theta. What is 1 minus x? 5 by 2 means cos power of 5 theta. dx means 2 sin theta cos theta d theta. So this 2 will take outside. Integration 0 to pi by 2 sin power of 7 theta cos power of 5 theta into sin theta cos theta d theta. 2 as it is. Integration 0 to pi by 2 sin 7 sin 1 sin 8 theta cos power of 5 theta cos power of 1 theta cos 6 theta. So it means 2 into what is this? I8 comma 6. I8 comma 6 means 5 by 4, 5 by 14, I8 4. So 2 into 5 by 14, I8 4 can be written as 3 by 2 into 1 by 10, I8 0. So how can I write the last thing? 2 into 5 by 14, 3 by 12, 1 by 10, 7 by 8, 5 by 6, 3 by 2, 1 by 2 into pi by 2. Now cancellation, this 2 and this 2 cancel. 3 ones are 3 twos are. 5 ones are 5 twos are. 3 ones are 3 twos are. Okay, and 3 also, 3 ones are 3 fours are, and 7 ones are 7 twos are. So what is the remaining? 5 into pi, 5 pi by 2 into 4 into 2 into 8 into 2 into 4 into 2 means 2048. That's all.